Hi, welcome to TGN YouTube channel. This is Jason. Alright, so today we have something of the latest product from Ubiquiti. Right, it's of the UniFi UXG series. Alright, so what it is a replacement, so-called replacement for the USG. For those who have been fiddling around with Ubiquiti products for the earliest days since many years ago. They've always been using the USG, and since so-called COVID, it has not been available, and right now Ubiquiti has actually launched the new latest UXG replacement. So let's take a look and see what's inside, alright, and what it can do and what to look out for, and also to see what are the hardware specs. Okay, so let's unbox this very fresh brand new unit out. Right, so as we remove the unit, you'll notice the size. Okay, so it's very small. There are no display here. Okay, and at the back it's powered by a USB-C. There is a WAN port and there's a LAN port. So if you need anything more, you definitely need a PoE switch or a dumb switch to go with it. So let's take a look at the adapter. Over here, what I have is the EU power adapter. Okay, and with the USB-C connector. That's about it. Right. So for the UXG-Lite, what is the difference? Okay, for this, you will need to have either your own self-hosted controller or a software controller or a CloudKey, okay, in order to be able to monitor it and also to add on devices, right? For the first, you can of course use a Bluetooth connection, connect it through your phone using the UniFi app, and to configure it as a standalone, and that's it. All right, as a standalone, it's going to behave differently if you have a CloudKey or your self-hosted controller. Okay, so for those who are not familiar with having your own self-hosted controller or to have a CloudKey, or if you prefer to have a controller that is built inside the router, the Dream Machine series will definitely be a much better option for you. Okay, so this is the UXG-Lite, 2 items in the box, and that's it. If you have any questions or comment, please feel free to write in the comment section, right? If you do like the video, remember to click like and share the video. Okay, remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.